See how Škoda vehicles are fitted with new wheels and tires. Fitting the wheels of a car used to be really hard work, but these days manipulators and trolleys make it easier for workers on the production line. Even so, wheel assembly is fairly time-consuming, so there are always two different people in charge of the left and right sides. The strong arm of the manipulator lifts the discs and tires, and the worker then guides the wheels into place so the initial attachment can take place. Then all they have to do is insert the bolts and use another tool to tighten them all at once to the prescribed torque. Now the car can support itself at last.
Škoda.